How can I change my EA account linked to my PS4?
Hello, and welcome. If you're looking to change the EA, Electronic Arts, account linked to your PS4, then you've landed on the right video. Today, we'll be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to achieve this. This process will involve unlinking your current EA account and then linking a new one. Please note that when you unlink your account, all your saved data and progress might be lost. Let's dive in.
What do I need before I start?
Firstly, ensure that you have access to both the EA account currently linked to your PS4 and the new EA account you want to link. You'll need the login details for both of these. If you don't remember your EA account details, visit the EA website and follow the "Forgot Password" instructions to recover them.
How do I unlink my current EA account?
The first step is to unlink your current EA account from your PS4. Unfortunately, you can't do this directly from your PS4. It needs to be done through the EA website. Here's how. 1. Sign in to your EA account that's currently linked with your PS4 on the EA website. 2. Click on Account Settings. 3. Under the About Me tab, scroll down to Connected Accounts. 4. Here, you will see your PSN account listed. Next to it, click on Disconnect. After following these steps, your EA account should be disconnected from your PS4.
How do I link my new EA account?
The next step is to link your new EA account to your PS4. This is done by logging into the EA game with the new account on your PS4. Here are the steps. 1. Launch any EA game on your PS4. 2. An EA login page should appear. If it doesn't, go to the game settings and look for an option to log in to EA account or something similar. 3. Enter the login details of your new EA account and sign in. After signing in, your new EA account should be linked with your PS4. That's it, folks. You've successfully unlinked your old EA account from your PS4 and linked a new one. Remember, switching accounts may cause you to lose your game progress, so consider this carefully before you proceed. Make sure to always secure your account details to avoid unauthorized access. We hope this guide has been helpful, and happy gaming!